Hey, today I will show you how to get iOS emoji and dark mode on Snapchat. Let's start. Tap on link in description box. Download this APK. Install APK. Open app. Login app. Give all permission. All iOS emoji working. Now show you how to use dark mode. Tap on Message tab, then tap on Here, tap on Night mode, then Always Dark, and restart now. Dark mode apply successfully. Now show you how to change app icon. Tap here. Tap on Custom App Icon. Here many app icon. Just tap on icon. App restart automatically. Icon will be changed. Thanks for watching video and don't forget to subscribe.